Who is ready to hear about all the things we love about Secrets Wild Orchid in Jamaica? My name is Brandon. I'm the owner of Magic Land Vacations, the Disney and Universal destination travel planning experts, and more. And today it is all about the more as we come to you from the beautiful island of Jamaica. We're staying at Secrets Wild Orchid, Montego Bay. I hope I said that right. And I'm curious if you guys have ever been to an all-inclusive resort before, because full disclosure, this is one of the first times I've stayed at an all-inclusive resort, and it was a life-changing experience for me. And I'm so excited to share with you all of my favorite things that I love about this resort. And I think I should do a whole nother video on just the things that I love about all-inclusives. But anyway, I digress. But with this, let's talk about all the things that I love about Secrets Montego Bay Resort in Jamaica. The first thing I have to say that I love is just the absolute location of where it is, because it is right on the beach, and for most part, most secret resorts on the beach, but not every secret resort has beach access. Now, a lot of people don't realize this, but Secrets Wild Orchid is actually connected to Secret St. James and also Secrets Breathless and another Zoetree. So it's kind of like sharing the property with actually 4 resorts. And so I just love that, because you just have more amenities, because they share some of the amenities, not all the amenities, but they share many of the amenities, and just really, really love it. All right, let's check out this room. Now, I'm at the Wild Orchid side of Secrets, and let me just kind of walk you around and show you the lay of the land. As soon as you walk in, you have some really cool sliding glass doors with a lot of closet space, which is really nice. This place is it really is huge. Like, look, I have all of my shoes down here. There you go, there's all my shoes right over there, and my suitcase. And I've been staying here for almost a week now, so we'll put some really great footage of what it looks like when it's completely clean before I've taken over. But here is the really awesome king-size bed, which is really nice. Beautiful king-size bed. Something that's really cool about this resort and most secret resorts is that they have these iPads that you can actually use to order room service, towels, extra linens, just a whole bunch of different stuff you can order. And if for whatever reason your iPad doesn't work, it's really simple. You just order the old-fashioned way on the phone. The other thing that I really like is that they have this privacy light right over here. So you can actually click on that, and a light will go off by your room that says that you want privacy. So that's pretty cool. And then you have this resting couch area over here, which is really nice. They don't have a lot of American plugs, as you guys can see down there. Not a lot of American plugs, but they do have some USB pieces right over here. I keep looking over here. I need to look over there. But they do have one American plug right over here, which is great. So I literally have my splitter, which came in really handy. And then the thing that I really love about this is the balcony. It's amazing. Look at this amazing balcony. It has an absolutely incredible view of the resort. Now, I'm staying on the 5th floor, so that's the top level floor. It has an amazing view of the beach and the pool. Oh, it's so amazing to wake up in the morning and have your breakfast out here on the patio. You can also do like your Shanti, your Insanity out here too, which is really nice, so I'd love to do that. And then the bathroom is really cool as well. I love the bathroom. This bathroom is amazing. Any bathroom at a resort that has 2 sinks is a winner, because if you're a couple and you don't have your own sink, things get crazy. So we have a private toilet area in there. That's what this door is for. And then we have a rain shower, Right over here, nice little rain shower. Now you might be like, oh, what's the big deal about the bathroom? It's the tub. I love the tub, and I really wanted to have a bubble bath, but I didn't have any bubble bath stuff, and someone said, well, use the shower gel. So I used the shower gel instead, and it was amazing. I'm not taking a bath in years, but a bubble bath, we're going back to like 1995 years. So it's been like well over 20 years since almost 20 years since I've taken a bubble bath. And that is well over 20 years. And the bubble bath was amazing. And other people that I was here with, they were talking about how they would take baths and enjoy the jets every night too. So I really love this bathroom. I really love the fact that you can get room service. That's one of the reasons why I love this place so much. You might be like, well, you can get room service anywhere, but it's all inclusive. So you can order as much room service as you want, whenever you want. It's 24 hours. What's really cool about room service is if you're not in your room, they have this little drop-off door, and I didn't realize this the first day. I really wish I had learned this, but I thought the drop-off door was only on the outside, right? So basically, if you're not here, they'll go to this door over here and drop off your food. And so I was coming in and out to get my food, and I just discovered this on the very last day that there's one inside your room that actually connects. If you're not here and the room service comes, then you can just put your, grab it in there, and then when you're done with your room service, you can actually put it in here for them to come and pick up so it doesn't stink outside. And who doesn't love room service? Because when you have an amazing view off of your balcony, even if it's raining, like today it's raining, but when you have this kind of amazing view, who cares? I mean, look at that. Who cares? Order room service. I love room service. Another thing that I absolutely love is just the friendliness of the staff and the service here at this resort. There is something amazing about the people of Jamaica. It's like they are excited to have you visit their island. They're excited to have you experience their culture. They're excited to have you experience the breathtaking beauty of their home. I love Yaman. I want to say Yaman all the time, which is really, really amazing. And I also learned that with Jamaican culture, I was asking someone about like the dialect and some of the slang and like the Yaman and stuff like that. And what I learned was that because Jamaicans were originally enslaved, that they developed a slave language so that their masters could not understand what they were saying. And I think part of the reason that they have such a jovial spirit here is because of the sense of freedom, the sense that they're free now. I just feel this immense power of freedom here, which I really, really love, and it's hard to describe until you actually come here and visit here. Now, full disclosure, I can't really speak to the entertainment, but you can do a whole bunch of variety of excursions while you're here. You can do parasailing, you can do ATVs, you can, there's like a nighttime lagoon that you can do. Like there's a lot of fun activities you can do, but I was actually here speaking for another conference for travel professionals. So a lot of my time was actually spent speaking and interacting with other travel professionals as opposed to just simply enjoying my amazing time here. But it was really, really enjoying. So I will say if you had to have like a business conference, this would be a great place to do it. But more importantly, if you were gonna do like a wedding or like a bridal party celebration, all-inclusive is really the way to go, and this would be a beautiful property for you to do that. I really want to talk about how amazing the pools are, because every resort has basically a pool and you can kind of use most of the pools no matter where you're staying in hot tubs. And then you have the unlimited bar service. So I'm saying bar service plus pool together is just a match made in heaven. I have been loving having the banana chocolate drink. I don't even know what the proper name for it is called. And then of course I'm a huge fan of Malibu sunrises, so being able to take my drink and enjoy the pool and then go and watch the waves on the beach and meditate has just been amazing for me. Let's just talk about the food in general, because what I love about it, actually probably any all-inclusive, is you're gonna love the fact that basically when you go and you pay for your vacation, you've already paid for all of your food, so you don't have to keep track of how much you're spending, and you can just enjoy, which is huge. But I love the variety that they have at this particular resort. They have a Mexican restaurant called El Patio. They have a Italian restaurant called Portofino. They have a like hibachi Japanese restaurant as well. And then of course they have a breakfast and lunch buffet where they have the most delicious rolls and bread ever. But just overall, the dining experience was really, really fun. I think most people thought that Portofino was probably the best out of all the restaurants. I really enjoyed the Asian one as well. I had really good sweet and sour chicken that was absolutely delicious. They had definitely had the best dessert. It was like a leche dessert that they had over there, which was absolutely delicious. Portofino had an amazing lasagna. Basically all of them come with bread service, which is delicious. And even though I'm from Texas originally and I'm huge on Tex-Mex food, I still enjoyed El Patio. Was it as good as what you might find in Texas or in Mexico? No, boo, because we're in Jamaica, but I still really enjoyed it. I thought it was really good. I got the fajitas, so I really love the fact that you have multiple dining options. Now, right now, not every restaurant is open every night, so they kind of alternate, so you want to make sure you check that schedule, but it really is fun to have a variety of dining and have multiple options for you. I think that wraps it up. I don't know what else to say. I just love this resort. I love staying here at Wild Orchid, and Secret St. James is just as great. And I think I'm just gonna enjoy my last few minutes before I have to take my my transportation back to the airport. Thank you guys so much for watching one of our another amazing videos. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't already, so you don't miss any of our amazing new videos. We are Magicland Vacations Disney and Universal Travel Planning experts. And make sure if you haven't already, check out our website, magiclandvacations.com. There you can schedule a consultation with one of our amazing experts. And guess what? We do way more than just Disney and Universal Vacations, so definitely want to check us out there. Also, make sure you go to our private Facebook group, Travel Genie Fan Club, where we do giveaways and trivia contests every single month. And of course, I have two other amazing videos for you to watch. One right over here and one right over there. One right there and one right there. I think I would start with that one, or maybe that one, or maybe that one.